Hi guys, back to the kitchen. Let's go. Welcome back to my channel. We're doing some carrot cake today, guys. Well, we're doing a carrot cake today. We got some beautiful carrots from the pantry and a request for carrot cake. Yes. So we're doing carrot cake with cream cheese frosting. Let's go into the kitchen. Okay guys, don't forget I will have the measurements for the ingredients in the description below, and please don't forget to subscribe, tap that bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Now let's start the carrot cake. Okay guys, we're making the carrot cake. So I'm gonna cream the sugar and the butter together first. Okay, I bring up my big girl because I'm repeating the recipe. That is funny. I didn't plug it in. Oh God. Okay guys, I will be adding the eggs one at a time. Yes, and then continue to let it combine with each other, mix it together. Okay, I'm increasing the speed just a tad bit. Okay, so now I'm gonna make sure everything is mixed together all from the bottom of it. Just stir it up a little bit, and then I'll continue to put it back and mix it a little bit more and increase the speed a tad bit more. We're gonna start to add the dry ingredients in a few minutes, guys. Okay, I'm adding the flour a little at a time, and I have the baking powder and the baking soda in here already, guys. Oops, why am I taking it down? I need to put it on. A little bit more speed to it. That's not a good idea. That would not be a good idea, no dear. Everything is in there. Yes, yes, yes. We'll let that combine. Then we'll add the cinnamon and the carrots. Okay, I think I need to stop it. It's starting to act up. I think I need to, from this point on, I think I need to do it. Oh no, I need to add the cinnamon in there. Let's add the cinnamon and get it mixed in there. Oh shucks, I shouldn't do it when I put the flour in there. Alright. It's still gonna be mixing around in there anyway. Okay, I'm gonna do it one more time, because I put the cinnamon in there. So I put it when I mix it with the flour. I wasn't thinking. Alright, that's good. Let's stop it. Take this from here, and then I want every ounce of my stuff off it. Oh guys, guess what I forgot? I forgot to preheat the oven. I'll be back. Let me go preheat the oven. Okay guys, please don't forget to subscribe, tap that bell so you don't miss any of my videos. And don't forget to give me a thumbs up. I need all this goodness. Okay guys, now I'm getting ready to add the carrots in here. I just need to clean this because I will be using this spatula again. The carrots will loosen this up a little bit. Okay guys, you add the carrots a little at a time and you just keep tossing. Okay guys, I spray my pan. If you don't have the spray, you can use a little bit of cooking oil and just rub, make sure it's greased properly, otherwise it's gonna be sticking down there. You don't want that, trust me. Okay guys, I'm gonna pop this in the oven and we'll have carrot cake in a few. Okay guys, because I had double the recipe because of the size of my pan, I have a little bit extra mixture, so I'm just gonna put them into these muffin pans here. Whatever can fit in there. I shouldn't have sprayed all of it, but that's okay. Somebody's car alarm is just going off out there right now. Okay, I'm gonna pop this in the oven with the carrot cake, and this is gonna be the testers. Yeah, right. Alright guys. Okay guys, now we're gonna start to make the cheesecake, cheese frosting, cream cheese frosting, Lord. Yeah, we're about to make the cream cheese frosting. This is the cream cheese I'm using, and it has to be at room temperature guys, and don't forget all the ingredients and measurements will be in the description below. Okay, now I'm creaming the cream cheese, butter and vanilla. Yeah, then I will be adding the sugar. Okay, you need to add the sugar, the powdered sugar, a little at a time until all of the sugar is combined and with the cream cheese. Oh my god, that is good. Okay guys, my cream cheese frosting is ready. Just wait for the carrot cake. Just wait for the carrot cake. In the meantime, I'll try to clear up around here. Ooh. Okay, look as if though I didn't put enough, I didn't spray enough on the bottom of the muffin pan, so they're sticking. But I'm getting this one for my mom, putting the cream cheese frosting and taking it to her so she can taste it. Okay guys, look at my carrot cake. Yes, yes, yes. Don't worry, my mother already tried one of the little muffins and she said it's good. So I'll let this cool off a little bit. Actually, I'll remove it from the pan and put it in a cooling rack. and then I'll do the frosting, the cheese frosting on it, and then I'll cut it and take it to the guys at the pantry. Oh guys, I am so happy my cake came out of the pan without sticking. I did good on the cake. Oh, I'm glad I put enough, more than I did for the muffins. Oh, this is perfect. Okay, I let it to cool off a little bit more. Then I put the frosting on it. It'll be good. Okay, now I'm gonna start to chop the walnuts that I'll be sprinkling on top of the cake after I put the frosting. Guys, if you have a chopper, this is where you're gonna use your chopper. This should be enough. It's just for me to sprinkle on top of the cake. And move this from here and get the cake. Okay guys, this is my first time doing cream cheese frosting since I've finished culinary school. I don't do the baking thing either, so it's looking good though. It's looking good. If I say so myself. Thank you very much. Oh my lord. Oh, Chair, I wish if you were here, Lord. I wish if my sister was here to taste this. I think she would be proud of me. I really wish if she was here to taste this. And my girls, oh my God, my girls is nice. At least one of the muffins that I made with the leftovers of it, I think my girls would have appreciated that. Spin it around. Ooh. Try not to overdo it, because you know you can let loose sometimes. Okay, I'm gonna stop messing around with it and then put the nuts on top of it. Look at me, look at me, look at me. Oh Lord. Ooh. I'm feeling myself today, guys. I'm feeling myself today. Oh, Cheerio. Oh, girl. Yes, 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 yes. Oh my God. Look at that, guys. Oh yeah. Look at it, guys. Oh my Lord. This is my first carrot cake with cheese cream frosting. What's last one, speech? I've made carrot cake before, guys, but I never did the cream cheese frosting. Oh, what I've been missing, huh? The other problem is I don't eat frosting. Oh, well, this is looking good. Look how moist that is, guys. Oh my Lord. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. Tap that bell so you don't miss any of my videos. God bless and stay safe.